Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Tafsir of the first verses of Surah Al Fatiha. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, who is the merciful, especially merciful. It is the first verses of Holy Quran and beginning of Surah Al Fatiha. Allah teaches us and remind us we must have begin every good action with the name of Allah, the means of Allah, the true name of God, creator of everything. Ar-Rahman, Allah is mercy for all creations. Ar-Rahim, Allah is the merciful for especially for not believers, not for non-believers. So before we study, we work, we speak, or do any good action, we should begin by saying Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.